Na shirika la The Standard kwa ushirikiano na serikali za kaunti zimeungana ili kuimarisha mahusiano, kutekeleza majukumu ya ugatuzi kwa manufaa ya mwananchi. Afisa mkuu mtendaji wa shirika la SGL Orlando Lyomo mapema hii leo alikutana na gavana wa kaunti ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago ili kujadili mikakati kabambe ya kuboresha ushirikiano baina ya kampuni hii na kaunti ya Uasin Gishu. Waliahidi kufanya kazi pamoja kama njia mojawapo ya kuboresha utendakazi ili kufaidi matunda ya ugatuzi.
As you can see, even if it's entered into the register, I'm sure it's compliant. It is compliant. Again, just standard. If you're giving.
So the magazine is there. We actually launched it officially yesterday. And one of the things that we are looking at is to have special features, for example, like partner with the Uasin Gishu government to showcase the tourist destinations around the area. And I'm thinking it's a perfect opportunity which we can sit with the CEC, Ministry of Tourism, and just take them through on how we shall do it. But we have the edition, and it's a perfect edition.
Profile this region, particularly North Rift. In terms of tourism, we are a very rich region in terms of tourism, particularly when it comes to product diversity. We are one region that can easily be promoted for cultural tourism by virtue of the diversity of the population we have in this region. We are one region that should be promoted for nature, nature walks, hill climbing, all these other things. We are saying as a media house, what are those things we can do? I know we can report politics perfectly, but if we really want to have an impact on Kenyans, then we have to become problem solvers. We have to have goals that go beyond just telling people what happened yesterday. So Farm Kenya actually is one of our biggest initiatives at the moment, and don't be surprised if Charles and some few people come to you with proposals. Because what we are saying is it's not a prescriptive offering, it's a consultative offering. We come, we say what are the issues affecting people in this region? How do we start solving them? Kama ni kuandika kwa gazeti, what stories do we carry? Which are unique to the problems in this area.